Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclohub. In this video we are discussing about the MA Economics and this is the code is MEC004, and in this one we are discussing question number 7. Before starting this question I want to share something. We are providing all the answers in a PDF form in a on your WhatsApp, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. We will provide all the uh, solutions in a PDF form, and this is a paid service. And this is question number 7 is saying compare and contrast the Uzawa two-factor growth model with the Feldman model. So if you need answer of this question, so you can contact us. So we will provide all the answers in a PDF form in just 1 minute. So thank you so much for watching this video.